Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's minute lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a French seam. So all you're going to need for this is fabric, tailor's chalk, a sewing machine and an iron. So on the back of your fabric, mark an X with the chalk, and this will help you remember that this is the wrong side of the fabric. So place both wrong sides together and sew a 0.5 centimeter seam. So when you're making a pattern that includes a French seam, make sure to add extra to the seam allowance just to allow for a nice French seam. Usually when I'm doing it, I add a 1.5 centimeter seam. So now that part is sewn, you'll want to iron the seam flat. So now go ahead and fold over the fabric so that it's the right side is facing you. So now sew 1 centimeter along the seam. So French seams are actually really handy for anybody who doesn't have access to an overlocker, and they're perfect for using on sheer fabric. All that's left to do now is to iron the seams flat, and that is how you sew a French seam. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button as it'll really help my channel. And then if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for some really fun videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!